routine for maintaining perfect abs is blank. 30 minutes of ab workout and diet. Hoy! Wala pa tayong 30 minutes dito sa fan meeting na to. Grabe ha? How often do you work out to stay fit?
한 6 days? 일주일에 6번 정도.
Maybe 6 days out in a week.
Wow. O kayo, ilang araw?
Wala.
Sabi na yun. Now, during the interview with the director of Bon Appetit, Your Majesty, na-mention niya na sobrang shock niya kung gaano mo kabilis magpa-abs. Ano ang sikreto mo sa mabilis na abs?
사실 저는 복근이 없어 본 적이 없어요.
Well, honestly, I've never not had abs.
As... Parang, lakasan niyo po ata yung aircon dito, NFT. Parang tumuminit. Pakilakasan mo yung aircon. So, the question is, are your abs still there right now? It is? Okay.
어제도 했죠.
Alright.
Even yesterday, they were fine.
We will find out kung mabibiyayahan tayo ni Lord mamaya. Ngayon, hindi ko pa sure. Alright, thank you so much for answering those questions. Now let's proceed to our next profile.